Welcome to another video on my walking robot Mirft2 based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux, programmed in Python in my case. It has two touch sensors here and USB camera with which I grab pictures to be processed by OpenCV, Open Computer Vision, freely available on the internet, and so is Python. The objective is finally to run or to walk. In this case it isn't quite working yet, and follow a color that is separated from the rest using OpenCV, and in my case it is the color red. And if you've watched previous videos, you'll see my struggle to get that working. The first focus now is to get a frame again, because on recent exhibition the problem was that I am not getting, after the firmware upgrade, nice display here. It stays blank and it didn't want to grab a picture. So let's try to get that better, and also using RoboPro to get it walking and to get everything tested. So let's go to the software and see how that works out. So let's start with the desktop explanation. This is on the Mirft2, ready to run the Python code, which is displayed here. So let's name the tab code, which is in Python, by the way, and then this is output. This is for displaying the pictures using ImageMagick. This speaks for itself, I do hope, and RoboPro also. This has to be 134, and then I hope I can make contact, which I cannot. I can make contact here, that's obviously. So why can I not make contact through this one? Still can't make contact. The weird thing is, with my other controller I could make contact. So unfortunately I have to rely now on Python code to do things. And let's take 450. Okay. It runs, it walks, and why it then stops is not clear to me. So let me stop it. Also, picture done is also not very good. So let me go back to the original interface, which is right here. Can I then do the same? It does run. At the same time I cannot make a picture. let's go to the default graphical user interface. I'm stuck here with the grey screen again. And I have to use the default interface to be able to grab a picture. So this simply means that is not working. Now I can put this in it, so I replugged the camera. Does this work? This part goes nicely. And then it says no. So I'm afraid I cannot make any pictures. And why that is beyond me. This limits the number of things that I can do, because one of the main attractions of this one was making a picture of these objects, and that's not going to happen now, unfortunately. So what to do about it? I'm not quite sure, to be honest. Maybe it has to do with the new firmware that I loaded, although this is not the real firmware. It is real firmware, but it is not the default firmware. This is the community firmware, of which I changed nothing. Okay, due to time I have to let this rest, but test in negative, which is very unfortunate. And this shows nothing because nothing is copied. And I can check here if this is still alright. Yeah, it is the correct IP address. So nothing wrong with that. Alright, then next is Blender. So this is going to be a test within a test, and it all is about modeling this robot. So this is the new version of Blender, and it is 2.80. Now in the former version 2.79 I had included a script with which I could add those nice gears. So if I go like I want to append, let's say at least that's what I thought it would do. No, that is the wrong one. Why doesn't this work the way I expect it to work? Ah, there we are back. Takes some time. I had that window with which I could add stuff. Not recover. and it had all nice things except for the gear, so that is not nice. Render window help. And once you find something, why can't you find it again? Now that is irritating. If not to say very irritating. I can select, apparently, just by clicking on it, so that is a nice thing. What is that? Oh, I selected the other gear, the other wheel. That's new. But can I really select things? Even without adding new stuff. Keyframe, delete. Shade smooth. No, this is not what I want. So this is annoying. I can move, rotate, scale. Can I scale? And so, if so, how? Yeah. I want to scale this. Yeah, apparently I can. This is all trying out. This is a bigger wheel. Yeah, what is set? Okay, that is set. I don't want that. That has to be back to 0. Orientation. I don't care. Is this? Oh, measure. What is measure then? No, it's the wrong object. I want this to measure this. Same thing. Okay, this is not nice. This takes quite a bit of exercising, and I didn't even fully understand the former version. So, what I wanted is something that is not going to happen, obviously. That is very nice, and also very nice to do. Very different. Very different. But also selecting something and you can see it right through. So now I can turn this wheel also. This is very different. Maybe easier, but I'll have to get accustomed to it. And as yet, gears, I cannot add them. I had an add and then add meshes, and within the meshes I could not find gears. So whether I stay with this version or go back to 2.79, I'm not sure about. So this is at the moment reality, with this well, not so nice screen and pictures that don't get made. So, going from bad to worse. Gears that just stop working, a screen that doesn't show up, pictures that don't get made, or captured, or grabbed, or captured, whatever. Then a new version of Blender that gives nice results, but on the other hand with an interface that riddles me. So how to continue? I don't know yet. For now, also RoboPro, which is now correct version both on the computer and in the interface, doesn't allow me to do the test that I want, which is irritating. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. And you can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. This is going to be continued. For now, have a nice day and bye bye. And please, for more information, see under this video, like website, Patreon page, and other stuff. Just mentioning it. Have a nice day.